What's up everyone? Today we are making air fried hot Cheeto cheese sticks. Here's an overview of the ingredients. I will have them listed below in the description box. We are going to start by slicing our cheese sticks in half, but if you prefer, go ahead and leave them whole. Now place the cheese sticks in a ziplock baggie and place them in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Freezing the cheese sticks helps keep their shape when you make them. Pour some flour into a bowl. I'm just doing a couple tablespoons, but feel free to use as little or more depending on how many you make. Alright, now using a food processor or a Ziploc bag and rolling pin, crush up your chips until they are in small crumbles or a fine powder. Crack 1 egg into a bowl and now pour in a bit of milk. Mix the egg and milk until it's well combined. Alright, I'm going to remove my cheese sticks from the freezer and now it's time to coat them. Roll the cheese sticks in the flour and shake off the excess. Now dip the cheese into the egg batter and use the edge of the bowl to wipe off the excess. Dredge the cheese into the chip crumbs until it's completely covered. If you want a super crunch, then do a second coating as I am. I'm going to show you another, then come back and show you once they're all completely coated. Here's a quick view of how they look. Now, this step is optional, but I'm going to actually put my cheese sticks back into a Ziploc baggie and place them in the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes or overnight even. If you like, you can go ahead and make them right away, but I want to make sure that the coating will stick to the cheese. I actually left them in the freezer overnight. Now I'm going to preheat my air fryer to 350 degrees for 3 minutes. Place your cheese sticks in a single layer on the pan and spray them with the non-stick cooking spray. Now set your air fryer to 350 degrees again and set it for 10 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to check my cheese sticks and flip them, but if you like how they are right now, go ahead and take them out. Alright, I'm going to let them finish cooking for the remaining time. Here's how the cheese sticks are looking. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for next week's video.